Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x800f0922, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the resolutions are, the first one is to enable the .NET framework on your system, and this is exactly what has been mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum as the first solution. So search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on turn Windows features on or off. Expand the first one and the second one, both of these are .NET frameworks, and make sure that each and every of these boxes and the sub boxes are checked. Now click on OK and it will start scanning for required files and applying the changes. The next solution is to turn off the firewall, at least temporarily. So search for firewall and then click on this option here, Windows Defender Firewall. Okay, now I'll give you a better option. Let's say search for turn firewall off. So we go to the Windows Defender Firewall page. Now we get this option here that we have it for public network and private network, and then we have this option at the left side, turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Turn it to red for both of these. I mean, turn it off and then click on OK. And remember to turn it on later once your job is done, once Windows Update is done. After this, right click on the start button, select settings, go to Windows Update and check for updates and let it work. And once these updates have completed and you have restarted your computer, go back to this page, turn it on, turn it on. This is very important. Firewalls are very important for your system. The next solution is to check the internet speed, because the internet speed is very important for downloading updates these days. The updates are very heavy. Now here's what I do. I go to this website called fast.com and hit enter, and then you can check the internet speed here. If this was already open, then you can click on this refresh button, this one. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on this administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.